Hi, this is Mamta Malecha, practicing as a life coach. We have already seen what about self-worth. Self-worth is being worth of by being no by having our own value, by working on our belief system, by knowing our own worth. So we are going to see five things towards that determine that self-worth. First is no matter what I have done or I have not done, I am worthy of love. Even in the things in their life, it goes not in a right way or or the way you thought, but you have that worthy of being loved. You have to start taking that your life as your responsibility and start loving yourself and growing your heart to spread that unconditional love everyone. And you should feel that you are the worthy of being loved, and you should feel that love with yourself. And no matter what is happening in your life, if we can face it, we can handle it. It's determined not the circumstances, it determines the power of values and the power of beliefs that we set for ourselves. So start working towards that set of beliefs, that set of values that help you to work towards that that power of love yourself, start loving others, give that unconditional love and passion towards yourself and towards work and start work towards that your life towards your growth. Next, we are going to see my things does not define me. Like whatever we clothes we wear, or whatever we like whatever we does to us, it's not what like we should define ourselves by the way we define ourselves. Like we should have that inner soul consciousness that we should live our life with our own definitions, that we have to work towards our growth, our goals. We have that capability, we have that potential, but we should work towards being the person and that able to who have their own values, who can trust by yourself, and you can work towards that and believe towards your own values and start seeing yourself that at person that you're going to work towards that success towards each day in your life. Next is I'm allowed to feel what I am, whatever I am feeling. Like we all sometimes we feel low, sometimes we feel depressed, but we sometimes we will be in guilt mode or victim mode. We have these emotions, sometimes these emotions comes in our life, but make it this emotion has your strength and start keep moving forward. Let whether if you're feeling low, if you're feeling little bit down, start the things that gives you a joy, either hearing your music or close the room, or you want to dance, or you want to hear that gives you peace. Any other motivational speaker that help you to push your energy. So start practicing that rituals to come out over that feelings and start working towards your betterment, towards your strength. See what is you can become better for yourself than what other tell you. See how feel whatever you are feeling, have that inner emotions, control over the emotions, and start focusing on the right mindset with the right direction towards our thoughts to keep the emotional level well, le- to keep maintain the emotional level. So we should not we should work towards these emotion, and we should change that emotion to the things that gives you a joy. So start working over towards these things. I delight in the joy, like you should be. I delight in the joy of you should be happy in whatever you are doing, whatever you are working towards to you. Like you should be have that joy. You should be have that fun, and to work towards yourself. You should see whatever things you love to do and start focusing that at that creativity to developing that skill and start moving forward in your life and start seeing that inner belief that help you to work towards the things that you want to become in your life. But have that right set of people, ask the people and get the feedback, and ask the people if you need any help. So start working towards. In our life we have to ask people for feedback, ask people for help, but start recognizing your own values, your own priorities. Start recognize your have such inner potential that you're going to work towards it and to become the person that you want to become in your life. Next is not whatever happens, I about to respond rather than react. We are already seen that we should not react to the situation. We should respond to the situation. Sometimes we feel low because of this situation has happened, but sometimes give time to calm yourself, to have that breathe deep, so, and start seeing yourself what can be done what can be done I can to change myself and change your mindset, and start towards the things that gives you a joy. So either than reacting at the moment of the time, uh, be calm and do some 5 second rule or 5 minute strategy to not to react at that time. And when you can, then you can give that time to calm yourself, and next day you start responding, or give some time to relax and then respond. So start to become calm yourself, know yourself what you have done, just realize yourself and then response to the situation. Always respond more than the react. And sometimes we have that feelings that push us low, oh, because we have to feel the way we are feeling, but we have to change that emotions. We have to work over to that emotions to make that high energy level high, keep that more emotions to make that energy high, so we can work towards our growth. So start working towards these things to have that worth within yourself. You are so worthy, then you are within you. So start seeing in yourself your thoughts by connecting your faith by giving that mindfulness time. So these will all help you to know yourself and able to find that worth within you and see that new person within you. So thank you guys, we will still a little more explore on a little more things on self-worth tomorrow. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Bye.